Hi, first graders. So today we will be reading another book about needs and wants. And this nonfiction book is called Needs and Wants by Nadia Higgins. Needs before wants. It is lunchtime. Bo wants dessert. But what does he need first? Healthy foods. Mick has money for a drink. He wants soda. Does he need it? No, his body needs water. Mia and her mom shop. Mia wants a pool toy, but they need sunscreen. First, they buy sunscreen. They have money left over. Now Mia can buy a toy. Tiff's dad gives her money at the store. She needs fruit. She wants fruit. She buys apples. Yum. Zach wants a snowboard, but he needs a winter coat. His mom buys him a coat first. Rita wants a new bike. Does she need it? No, her bike works. Rita saves her allowance. Soon she will have enough money. She will buy a new bike. What do you need? What do you want? And so today, boys and girls, you are going to go back to the Google Classroom and you are going to write 4 things that you need and 4 things that you want. I can't wait to read them. I'll talk to you soon.